What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm just going to kind of go over where I'm at with those sides splitters that I was telling you about. So far, I mean, it's kind of up in the air. I don't really want to deal with that company again because they actually made the splitters longer than they were the last time. So we told them it was too long the first time, and instead of getting a shorter pair, they actually sent a longer pair for some reason. And it takes forever for them to kind of do anything, so I don't really want to deal with them again. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna work with a local guy and get some custom ones made, and then kind of just go from there. So yeah, I'm just not gonna keep dealing with that. Also, I wanted to bring up the meets coming up. So we are in July now. We have 2 meets that were scheduled. We have one for July 11th, as well as one in Tampa for July 15th, I believe. As of now, they're both still on, but definitely keep an eye on social media, as well as my channel, because I'll be kind of updating as we get closer to those events to see if we're still going to do them. Now, the one for the 11th, I don't really think that's going to be a crazy big event. I think it's probably just going to be a couple of us, so most likely that'll still go on. Homie Franz is getting his new coilover, so that's going to be the main thing for that. So either way, he's still going to be getting them. So even if it's not a big meet or anything, I'm probably still going to be there with them and record. As far as the one in Tampa, still not sure how big that's going to be either, but it would be nice to kind of get up with everybody again. Also, I might be doing a photo shoot or getting a photo shoot done on the 11th. I mean the 4th of July. One of the homies reached out to me telling me he's actually doing some promotions right now, so I might just go up, show some support, and see if we can get something together for that. But that's still up in the air because I'm also supposed to have some family in town, so I don't know yet. We'll definitely see. But yeah, I did want to kind of just go look at the car really quick. It is pretty dirty. I was parking here under, let's see if you can see it, those trees there and there. I hate parking there because all the berries and all kinds of stuff comes and drops on the car. So let me go ahead and show you real. Alright, so yeah, that's what I mean. Every time I parked under there, it was a lot worse. It did just rain a couple of days ago, so yeah, it was pretty bad. This car's still dirty, but I'll go ahead and clean it here pretty soon. The mic is facing me and not the car. It is a cold start though. Also, I do need to go ahead and peel this off. It sits in the sun a lot, so it should be easy to come up. Definitely pretty hot. Definitely hot to the touch. So it should be easy to peel up. I do need to get this peeled up. When my homie said he would wrap it for me, so I just gotta peel it, and then once I peel it, make sure there's no like adhesive, because I'm not even sure the brand of wrap that it is, because I won it at a car show. So yeah, not sure what they used, but I mean, it's been on for 3 years, so whatever they use is a good brand, I believe. Anyway, go ahead and turn that off. But yeah, definitely gotta figure out the side skirts. I'm thinking I'm gonna hit up the homie splitter Kevin. Want something that kind of comes out a little bit, kind of seems like it's continuation from here, go all the way back, and then also I'm gonna get these the back pieces as well to go here. I've seen a few of those, so I'll get that as well. Really do need to clean it. I would like to go a little lower as well, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go lower with these wheels and while I'm in this location, because we got a big speed bump in the community here, so I probably won't go lower while we're living here, at least. Next place, hopefully it'll be the house that we move into, and depending on that, I'm gonna shoot for something where it is going to be low friendly either way. So, and I'll be getting this fixed here very soon. Definitely get tired of that. And then get everything paint corrected. I was thinking about wrapping the car as well. I love the white, don't get me wrong, but if I don't get a project car, I was thinking about just wrapping the car, but I'm really leaning more towards the project car, because even if I get the project car, it's not like I'm just gonna stop with the Altima completely. Like, I'll still do a few things here and there. Might not go as hard with it, but I still want to switch up the wheels. So once I get a place, I'm gonna take the wheels off and post them up for sale, and once they sell, then I'll probably get another set. But that's in the future, unless somebody is interested before then, because I'll probably let the whole set go for $1,200, wheels and tires, and the tires are pretty good on all of them, and there's no issues with any of the wheels either. I just need to clean them. So yeah, I might even throw in the lug nuts if you need them. But yeah, definitely let me know if anybody's interested. Definitely not shipping, so hopefully somebody local in Florida or maybe Georgia. But yeah, I'm not planning on shipping these, because it's definitely crazy to ship wheels. But yeah, I've noticed a lot of my videos been getting a lot more activity lately, especially these last few days. So I definitely appreciate everybody for rocking with the content. And I've had a few people reaching out on Instagram, Facebook, and even emailing me. Definitely the best way to reach me would be Instagram, unless you see me in like one of the Facebook groups. Definitely feel free to reach me on there. But yeah, Instagram, yeah, I mean, you don't even have to follow me to reach out to me on Instagram. So you can send me a message. If I'm not following you, it'll go to, just let me know that you messaged, and I can still see the message. So and I get back to everybody who messages me, as long as it's not like some kind of spam. But yeah, definitely appreciate everybody reaching out. Channel's doing very well. I know not everybody who watches the videos are subscribed. I do appreciate you watching, even if you aren't subscribed. But I'll definitely appreciate you even more if you go ahead and hit that subscription. Just kidding. But yeah, every time you like and comment on the videos, it definitely helps out a lot. I'm getting recommended. A lot of people coming from other videos and everything, so definitely appreciate that, and we're definitely growing. It's so wild that I'm almost at 2,500 subscribers with just the Altima, and it's not like I'm doing a power build or anything. Like, it's just low and slow. So got the 2.5. I don't even have a performance Altima, so I definitely appreciate everybody, and thanks for rocking with me. But yeah, coming up, hopefully we can go ahead and get some more of these events popping again. It's a little wild here in Florida. I'm not really trying to be out in the Rona like that, but coming up here, hopefully in the next couple months, it'll start to die down at least, so we can start getting back out there. I know there's a lot of people still going out and about. No knocks to them or anything. I'm just not trying to be out there like that if I can avoid it. So but yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying to go hard as soon as everything's starting to go back to normal as well. So definitely want to make sure everybody will be ready for that. Also, one of the homies is throwing a meet in Brooklyn, I believe, on July 11th. Of course I won't be able to go to that, but it definitely will be showing a lot of pics and videos and everything. So they're currently posting everything on Facebook. about the meet as well, so you can definitely check it out in the different groups. I know it's posted in the Altima Club. I think it might be in the 5th Gen Ultimate Official as well. But I'll post a link to it in the description below, so you can take a look at it and kind of go from there. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much longer. Just a little quick update video. I'm still planning on doing the stage 3 video. I wanted to get the side skirts before I do that, but I don't know if that's going to be in the case now, but we'll see. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to have some merch dropping soon as well. I'm going to have some, not only Fitted Squad stuff, but I'm going to do Nissan Times Infinity as well, because that page has been something I've been pushing for a little while as well. So I'm going to do shirts, stickers, little air fresheners, key tags, and I might do some more. I do want to do a Fitted Squad jersey as well, so I'm gonna see if I can get that as well, but I don't want anything that looks super cheap, so we'll kind of go once we kind of get into that. Just still looking for pricing and everything out right now. So website will be coming soon, and I'll definitely be posting the links in the description once that is ready, but you'll definitely know, because I'll let everybody know. But yeah, like I said, don't want to ramble too much. Thank you all for all the continued support. You all are amazing. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.